starting route to Lake Mackenzie.
Today we're headed out to Mackenzie Reservoir. Mackenzie Reservoir was built in 1974 on a canyon near Silverton, Texas. That's about an hour and a half north of Lubbock. Now when you get to Mackenzie Reservoir, you're going to turn into a gate. You can see this big white gate here, and directly in front of you will be an observation point. Looking out over the lake, you can tell that it's way low. Today, it's only 7.4% full. As you enter the gate, you will turn left. It'll take you down a really narrow road that crosses the dam. Now, this road is narrow, and it could be dangerous in inclement weather like ice or rain, snow, anything like that. You'll notice I meet a pickup here on this road, and I have to get way over right beside the rails. And there's not much rail there. It's a cable with wooden posts. You do have to pay for access to this reservoir. It's $5 a person and $5 for your boat. So it cost me $10 to get in. If you keep following this road, it's going to take you to Mackenzie Bait and Tackle Store. That's where you'll pay for access. Now right up here on the right, you're going to see some blue dumpsters and a gravel parking lot. That's going to be the boat ramp. You have to go ahead past it and go on to the tackle shop to pay. Now I was there during a weekday and the bait and tackle shop was closed, but they do have forms for you to fill out and they're right there by the door. These yellow forms, you fill it out, put your money in, use the drop box right there on the door. You'll have a receipt on that envelope and you just put it on your dash. You fill it out and put it on your dash. Now I'm headed back toward the boat ramp. You see, I just passed it a little bit ago, and there's plenty of parking up here on this hill, but at the low water levels, this boat ramp is really steep, so you need to be pretty careful getting down here. Your truck kind of wants to run away with you, so use a low gear pulling your boat down this ramp. The road's good. Down closer to the water, it's a little bumpy. The ramp is still in the water. Now, there's only about 10 feet of ramp in the water at this lake level. And like I said before, it's 7.4% full. So that'll give you a reference. If it's any lower than that, you may have trouble getting your boat on the water. Now, I have a 17-foot bass boat, and when I backed it into the water here, my wheels of my trailer fell off the end of the ramp. So that gives you an indication that if this lake gets any lower than this, it's going to be pretty hard to get a boat on it. But right here's the boat ramp. You can see it's pretty steep, but they do keep it maintained. I wanted to get this shot of the crappie house at 7.4% full, just in case any of you crappie fishermen wonder. At this level, unusable. If you were thinking about heading out to Mackenzie Reservoir and you were wondering about the boat ramps and lake access, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any other questions on the lake, I'd be happy to answer them. Just drop those down in the comments. And until next time, go fish.